What is meant by a term of an algebraic expression? Let's find out. Term or terms simply make an algebraic expression. In other words, we can think of algebraic expression as something that is consisted of the first term plus the second term plus the third term plus the fourth term and so on and so forth. So let's take a look at some examples which will further help clarify. So we will write some completely random algebraic expressions. So let's say the first example we write is 2x. The next one is, let's say, 6y power 5 plus 4y power 3 plus 3y squared plus 5y plus 10. The next example, let's say, is square root t plus 6t to the power 4. Let's write a few more. Let's say we have something like 10s power 5 minus 6s power 4 plus maybe 3s cubed minus 2s squared plus s minus 5. And let's write one final one. Say r cubed minus 6 by r squared plus r minus, let's say, the number maybe 12, right? So here we have written 5 random algebraic expressions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the first one has how many terms? The first one has only one term because this is the algebraic expression. So it has only one term and the term is 2x. What about the second example? Second example has one term plus the second term plus the third term plus the fourth term plus the fifth term. There are 5 terms in the second algebraic expression. And the first term is 6y power 5. Second term is 4y cubed. Third term is 3y squared. Fourth term is 5y. And the last term is 10, the number 10. The third example has 2 terms, this and this. So if we were to ask you the second term of this expression is what? So the answer will be 6t to the power 4. This is the second term. How about the last two? Now there is something interesting in the last 2 examples because the last 2 examples have these negative terms. See that here, minus 6s4 minus 2s squared and minus 5. We looked at algebraic expression is something that has first term plus the second term plus the third term plus the fourth term. So how do we handle examples where we have these negative terms? Well, quite simply what we will do is we will rewrite the expression in such a way that we will have a plus outside. What do we mean by that? So let's rewrite this example over here. So we will write this as 10s power 5. Now the next term is minus 6s4. So we will write this as plus, and within bracket we will say minus 6s power 4. Now remember that if you open the bracket, this will be simply minus 6s power 4. But because we conventionally write an expression as first term plus second term plus third term, so we want to do it this way. If we do it this way, then we can clearly see the second term is minus 6s power 4. So let's keep writing the rest of the rest of the terms for this expression. Third term is plus 3s cubed. Fourth term, similarly, we will write this as plus minus 2s squared. And then we have plus s. And then we will write plus minus 5. And now we will say the first term is this. The second term is minus 6s power 4. The third term is this, 3s cubed. The fourth term is minus 2s squared. Fifth term is s, and the sixth term is minus 5. So similarly, you can imagine this example, the last one, we will write this as r cubed plus within parentheses minus 6 over r square plus third term is r, and the last term we will write this as plus minus 12. So the first term is r cubed, the second term is minus 6 divided by r squared, third term is plus r, and the fourth term is minus 12.